In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI sound effects with ElevenLabs. If you're someone who's always looking to enhance your projects with unique and professional audio, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to use our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. It helps support our channel and gives you an easy entry point into this amazing tool. Let's start by navigating to the ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a panel on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on Sound Effects. This will take you to the section where all the magic happens. ElevenLabs leverages artificial intelligence to create soundscapes that you can use to elevate your content, whether it's for a video, podcast, or any other project that could benefit from high-quality audio. Once you've made your way to the Sound Effects section, you can start by entering prompts to generate specific sound effects. For those who might feel a bit unsure about what to type, ElevenLabs offers sample prompts you can use right off the bat. These samples are great for experimentation and can give you a good idea of what this tool is capable of. Simply hit play to listen to these pre-generated options and be prepared to be amazed at their quality and diversity. When you're ready to create your own unique sound effect, simply type in the description of what you're looking for. For instance, you might want a sound reminiscent of ocean waves crashing against a shore, or perhaps the gentle rustle of leaves on a breezy day. Whatever it is, type it into the prompt box and wait as ElevenLabs' advanced algorithms work their magic. In just a few moments, your custom-tailored sound effect will be ready. One of the features that make ElevenLabs stand out is the ease of downloading and integrating these sounds into your projects. Once the sound effect is generated, you will see a download option. Simply click it, and the file will be saved to your device, ready to be used however you see fit. And that's all there is to it. With ElevenLabs, creating striking, vibrant sound effects has never been easier. Whether you're a seasoned audio editor or a beginner just getting started, this tool has something to offer for everyone. Don't forget, using our affiliate link to sign up not only supports us, but also provides you with an effortless way to explore all that ElevenLabs has to offer. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.